Okay. Yeah, Mama. Yimlo. We sorted. We sorted. Okay. Okay.
Okay. Look at this. Relax. Relax. Watch this. Relax. No. I've got your arms. I've got your arms. I've got your arms.
Okay. Sure. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just trust.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Okay, well, she mustn't go.
No. Okay. No. You can.
You want to stay?
You can assist me with her. Oh, yeah.
There we go. Put your feet forward.
She's good.
Put your foot forward.
Yeah. She's good.
Okay. Yeah. There we go.
Eat it. Yim.
Okay, 1, okay, 2, and 3.
Yim.
Relax. Okay.
Come here.
Okay, relax.
She's good.
Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, but I've got you. Oh, this is a privilege to serve her.
Yeah.
Here we go. I've got you.
Yes, I move much.
Trust you. Yeah, it's shallow. Yeah, it's shallow. Look here. Look here next to me. Look here.
All right.
Come down.
You mag much. Yeah.
I'm forgetting.
We are fair.
Yeah.
No, it's not. There are my fats. No.
There we go.
Okay.
Hallelujah.
She's good. She's good. Today she's swimming. Just now, how's that? Well done. Indeed. Awesome. All right. Yeah. No, don't. No, not in your eye. No.
Okay, not in my eye.
Very soft.
Yeah. Okay. Not in your eye. Leyo ke is a definite no, you don't do. Into abasihone ngayo ukuthi singayenzi ngisho nangephutha ukuthi amanzi angene emehlweni because usawuti onzima kabi ngiyakuzwa. Shima? Yeah, there's rocks. I thought I didn't realize there's so much rock because she's not used to walking, and the rock can be hectic on the feet. Up there. Sorry. Yeah, it's rocky. Yeah. All right. Ngicela ungarelax ne, ngicela ulfile iche, ungavela
Yeah.
because ulonginyathele endaweni ezihlabayo. So far. You want to sit there? Oh, she wants to sit. Is that allowed? Okay.
Come in there.
Bring her here. She won't sleep there. There's stones there. Yeah, there's too much stones. Wait. Woza ngapha mama ungayile. Iza ngapha. Angazi umeleni. Ngithi iza ngapha. All right. Okay. Thank you.
I'm taking.
Mrs. Miya, you are really just incredible. You are incredible.
Excellent.
You deserve 50 gold stars.
The chair, just sit down, Mama.
Just a chair to sit
Chair.
down.
Sit down a little bit. Just bring it here. Sorry, my sis.
Hang on. Let me just get a clean one. That's very dirty.
Oh, we can. Yeah. Half past 5.
What is the time now?
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
today, 5:16.
Quarter past.
It's, yeah, 20 past.
5 past 5. Okay. Just.
It's a very low chair. Must I?
Yeah, it's too low for her. She doesn't like just this low.
Was it good?
I doesn't like this water.
Thank you so much. Thank Bella. All right. I just want to float quickly and then.
You're fine, Mama. We're going to pick you up, Mama.
Okay. Yo.